dropped in to see Ben from Prospeed Precision in Ramsgate. Now, Ben has invested in some orange vices, not just 1, 2, you've actually got 4. You started off with 217, but why did you buy them, and then why have you bought more?
So first of all, we started with two 17-inch Vises for the new machine. On delivery of them, loved them, got on well with them really well. After maybe two or 3 months, we decided actually we've got a huge bed space, so we decided we were going to fill it.
Yeah.
So we got the biggest Vise that we could fit onto the bed for the next 2 purchases, really.
Okay, so that's been the 21-inch.
So two 21 inches Vises were added later on. Yeah.
Okay, so a huge bed. You've got the 4 vices. You can put, well, 8 components, but loads more. But why the orange vise? Why do you like them so much?
Just for their versatility, really. We can have anything from single station, dual station. We can mount soft jaws front and back. We can mount soft jaws in the middle. Just general versatility.
Okay. And the actual jaws, well, the whole vise itself is made from, I think, Durabar, is it? So it gives that real rigidity?
Yeah, Durabar construction, grounds within 4 microns, so it's rigid.
Yeah. It ain't moving.
It's not moving anywhere, no. They hold on to things very, very tight. Yeah, absolutely happy with them.
Okay. So you said about the jaws, and it's a modular system as well, which we could see in the background there. One's broken down, one's on a dual station, and 2 on single station. But the actual, the one you broken down here, can you just talk me through these components here?
Yeah, so the Vise starts off as a single Durabar construction body, and then we add in a lead screw, which is the first part to go in. We then have a range of jaws we can use. We can use moving jaws front and back with either a hard jaw or a Carvesmart soft jaw. They're just reversible. We have a centre hard jaw that we can use, which is held in with a couple of cap head screws and pins. Same with the soft jaw centre, again, just a couple of cap heads. The moving jaws are secured with just a simple grub screw, one front, one back, and the whole system, you can assemble it in under 5 minutes.
Right, so easy to take apart, assemble, so cleaning-wise, very simple as well.
Absolutely, yeah.
Okay. Now, with these, why are you going to, these you're going to be using probably for second op, is that right? The hard jaw?
Yeah, we can use the hard jaw for second or first stopping. They do hang on quite tight to small amounts as well. And because we are a job shop doing lots of different components, the speed of them breaking down and putting back together in different configurations really does help us out.
So getting the vibe here, it's very fast to use, take apart, put back together, clean, etc.
Absolutely.
Okay. Now, you mentioned the jaws because they come standard, the orange vise comes standard with the Carvesmart jaw.
That's correct.
What's the beauty of these?
So the Carvesmart jaw is basically on a dovetail. We have a small example here, but there's a dovetail on the back that fits simply into the jaw from the front because the clamp releases upwards. You can just put the dovetail straight into the jaw. The clamp comes down on top. There's a pin in the back of the jaw that locates into a slot in the jaw to within 20 microns.
Right, so you've got that accuracy, repeatability, but also rather than having to load the jaw from the side, it might be cramped, and there's loads of space in that envelope. You've got a huge envelope, but it just makes it a lot easier.
It does, yeah.
Okay. Now, you've got here, so, we've talked through the modular system here, the pins, etc., but a selection of different jaws. So what's going on with these, please?
So these jaws are all done, these are all for second opping various parts that we manufacture here. These ones just for doing 2 components at a time, 3 components at a time. With these jaws, the 3 components at a time we can put into each vise, so we can actually populate the bed with as much as we can without having to build special fixtures or anything like that.
I'm just thinking my maths here, 4 times 2, 8 times 3. Yeah, so that's 48?
Yeah, it's quite big.
No, 24, I think.
Something like that. This component here was a second op that we did. There was some diameters tied up on this, so we actually made the jaws to fit the component.
Yep.
And again, if I have to make more of these, it's again repeatable when the Vise jaws within 20 microns. So I don't have to recut jaws or anything like that. I can just put them in, screw them down, put the part in, and I'm located.
Nice and simple. And what's this other set here?
This was a set we just made with a simple V in the back for holding some round stock. We had to drill and tap some holes in some round stock and mill some flats and things. So we just knocked up some jaws with a V in. Pretty simple stuff, really. They hold together with the round stuff in the middle.
Right. Okay.
Simple as that, really.
But again, you're just alluding to the fact that it's really simple to use and repeatable and accurate in terms of your pins, and actually changing the jaws over with the Carvesmart system.
That's correct.
Okay. And well, any other reason why give a great endorsement of the orange vise and the Carvesmart jaws? Any other reason why you like them?
Not really, just the general versatility of them. They're solid, they hold on to things well, great construction, good delivery from Leader Chuck as well.
So Leader Chuck International now.
Chuck International, yes.
And what about warranty on these?
A lifetime guarantee.
Right. So, huge statement there. So they're putting their, name behind it, giving that warranty. So Ben, great endorsement of the Orange Vise, the Carvesmart Jaws from Leader Chuck International, and lifetime warranty.